Have you ever pondered what might power the future of artificial intelligence? Could it be something as small and seemingly insignificant as a particle? Well, prepare to be amazed. Physicists at Leipzig University have made a groundbreaking discovery, developing a neural network that uses active colloidal particles instead of electricity for calculations. Now you might be wondering, what on earth are active colloidal particles? Simply put, they are tiny synthetic self-propelled particles, only a few micrometers in size. Imagine little units made of plastic and gold nanoparticles, so small yet so powerful. But it gets even more fascinating. These tiny particles are not just floating around aimlessly, they're driven by a laser rotating around each other, and within this dance of rotation lies the outcome of a calculation. It's like a microscopic ballet, where each pirouette and twirl holds the answer to a complex problem. But, like in any good story, there's a villain to overcome: the disruptive effects of noise on the movement of the colloidal particles. Noise, in this context, refers to unnecessary or random fluctuations. But fear not, our physicists have developed a method to suppress this noise, ensuring the particles can continue their dance undisturbed. This breakthrough is not just an advancement in information processing with active matter, but it also optimizes reservoir computation by reducing noise. It's a game changer, opening up exciting new possibilities in the realm of artificial intelligence. In summary, the future of artificial intelligence could be powered by something as small as a particle, thanks to the innovative work of physicists at Leipzig University. By using active colloidal particles for calculations, they've created a neural network that's not only more efficient, but also less noisy. So next time you think about the future of AI, remember the tiny dancers, the active colloidal particles, spinning their way to revolutionary solutions. If you found this intriguing and want to stay updated with more such informative content on AI, research, science, tech space, and much more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video to spread the knowledge. Until next time, keep wondering and keep learning.